Dear Sushant Singh Rajput, my heart somehow tells me that you wanted to be with your mom. You thought the only way to find peace, to find comfort, was in the arms of your mother up there. I also know that there were many reasons which you had to stay back. You were the brightest of the brightest minds that the world has laid eyes upon. You were a beautiful soul, and you were somebody with a smile that was spread in all the corners of the room when you smiled and entered a room. You're gone too soon, Sushant, and I never knew you personally. And I hate the fact that I never got to know how amazingly beautiful you are. My heart cries as I see the world, the best of the best people, going through depression, going through thoughts which leave them in this state. You were a beautiful soul. You were a hardworking, lovely, multi-talented, and supremely thoughtful person. There was a lot that the world had not seen of you. There was a lot that the world wanted to see. There was so much more that the world was waiting for from you. But we failed you, and we're sorry about that. You felt that this wasn't your home. This wasn't a life that was worth living. But I know that there was much more the world wanted to see of you than just this short journey that you had, Sushant. Your kindness was reflected in your eyes. Every scene, every interview, every little photo that had your genuinely beautiful smile. Today, depression has taken one of our best beings from us. I beg you, if you feel any kind of depression, anxiety, this is not your step. Your step is to go get help. Your step is to get better. Your step is to build every piece back together. We lost a beautiful soul, one of humanity's best, to this illness that we call depression, and we don't want to lose more. Please take this seriously. I read this somewhere in the news today, in the newspaper today, that Osho, the great philosopher, had said before he died. He said this, it was 1990, and he said, in the next 25 years, the world is going to need more psychiatrists than physicians. And this was the most accurate thing somebody could ever say. Depression is something that you have to deal with, and you will get better. I am telling you with my personal experience, I got better, and so can you. And once you get better, all your problems seem smaller. seems solvable. In school, we were taught that even though you might not be able to solve every math problem, there is a solution to every math problem. And if you just work hard enough, if you just believe that you can solve that math problem. The same goes for life. You can solve it, you can get better, and you can make sure that your loved ones don't have to suffer down here without you. Just if you get some help, just if you get help for your loved ones and for your own self. The world needs you. The world needs amazing human beings like you. You matter so damn much. Please do not ever take such a step. Learn from this that Sushant was an amazing being and the world needed to see more of him and we didn't. So we don't need more situations and more cases like this. Be in this world. This world needs human beings and we as human beings together can get better, can become the best versions of ourselves and can make this world a better place and make our hearts more peaceful. Please get help. I personally know some psychiatrists, some amazing therapists as well. Please contact me if you need anybody, any of these, and I will be there for you as much as I can. Please, there are more ways to build a beautiful life than to just give up. Please.